Hey guys, welcome to Cute Little Ideas. So today we'll be making an amazing bottle art. Let's get started. First, to roughen the surface of the bottle, we have to make gesso. For this, add 2 tablespoons of talcum powder, 2 tablespoons of white glue, mix it well. This should be the final consistency. Using a paintbrush, coat the gesso evenly over the surface of the bottle. Leave it to dry. Next, we need to make roses and leaves. For making roses, I am using air dry clay. Make circles with clay and then cut each circle into 4 pieces. Align the pieces like this. Roll it up. The roses are ready. Similarly, make few more flowers. Now let's make leaves with the clay. Use a toothpick to add details. There we go! Using little clay, make a slender stem around the bottle. Attach the leaves to the stem this way. Be careful not to break them. You can use small pieces of clay, water and glue to attach wherever necessary. Paint everything green. Once it dries, highlight the stem and leaves using a lighter shade of green. Attach the roses with the help of glue and clay. Paint the roses red. Add more colors as you wish. To protect the paint and also give it a shine, spray varnish on it. Our beautiful bottle art is ready. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more cute little ideas. Thanks for watching.